Chances are your kitchen counter is filled with many small appliances like a coffee maker, blender, toaster, or toaster oven. To use them safely, never plug too many small electrical appliances in the same outlet and never put them near water. Small kitchen appliances and wall outlets can overheat very quickly, and with water in the mix, this can quickly turn into a recipe for disaster. Remind grown-ups to always keep a fire extinguisher at hand. If disaster strikes, ask a grown-up to help you out and act fast. Have everyone get out of the house safely, immediately call 911, and wait at a safe meeting place for firefighters to arrive. If not used correctly, many small kitchen appliances can be fire hazards. It is important for everyone in your house to know what to do during a fire emergency. Having a family fire escape plan can save your life when every second counts.